I have this fear of losing my Chinese heritage. It's hard to explain. Since I don't speak Mandarin properly, I already feel my heritage slipping away. My mom immigrated from Hunan, China in the late 80s to Ontario, Canada. I am the first, to my knowledge, in our family history to be born in Canada. One day, during dinner with my mom, I realized how sad it would be if these dishes she makes is forgotten. If I don't learn them and pass them on, they'll disappear. Out of some sort of desperation, I had an idea to preserve my mom's recipes. And so, here's what I came up with. The first section is a poster. It provides context and introduces the project. It documents my meals for 40 days. Here's how you read it. Each circle is a meal in the order of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The colors show cuisine style. I've got 3 main categories: Chinese, Western, and Korean. Time to cook, whether it was made under 30 minutes or over 30 minutes. Number of side dishes. Chinese food is often eaten by having a bowl of rice and a mix of side dishes to go with it. Bulk cooking shows if one of the dishes were cooked in large batches. Number of people eating is shown by the number of these black semicircles. Just by looking at the entire documentary, it's very hard to decipher, but some added commentary can give context. I've used vellum paper that can be laid over on top of the poster to help bring shape to the data. The second section are these foldable recipe sheets. If we open them up, it lists ingredients and equipment needed. The inside shows the actual steps to make the dish. A mini booklet accompanies these sheets to explain how to use them. It can be hard to decide which recipe to try, so I made a way to quickly browse them. Every recipe has a recipe card that goes with it. The front of the card shows a colorful photo of the final result. The back visualizes the details about the dish. At the top, the black bar shows the time to prepare the meal. If it's on the left side, it's under 30 minutes. If it's on the right side, it's over 30 minutes. If there are peppers in the background, it is a spicy dish. Hunan people love spicy food. Core ingredients include vegetables, meat, seafood, legumes, fungi, eggs, and other. Ingredients are further categorized as frozen, fresh, or preserved. Flavors are broken down into sweet, savory, sour, salty, and bitter. This is a root called danggui, or female ginseng. Like most medicinal herbs, it tastes bitter. There are 6 categories of textures. It can be soft like steamed fish, firm like stir-fried carrots, chewy like pork intestines, tender like pork bones in soup, mushy like taro soup, crunchy like the crisp leaves of bok choy. It could be thin like this winter melon soup, or thick like this congee. Finally, cooking method. Was it stir-fried, boiled, stewed, steamed, or maybe something else? And so, that's the project. I made it as a tribute to my family, to my mom. It's something I want to leave behind for generations to come. I feel I've done my part in easing my fears by preserving our family's culture through food. This was my first time shooting a stop-motion video. My setup was on a laundry rack and I got really creative with lighting. Here, I'm using the inside of the curtains to reflect the light. I made a lot of mistakes shooting this video, but I learned a lot. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.